Hey YouTube, just an update. Haven't posted in a little while. Been working on the brake lines. Motor's out and the brake lines are all plumbed. I got everything tied in now. So this is at my brake proportioning valve. This is looking at it from at the elevation of the brake lines, and had to do a little funkiness in here to get some clearance at the headers. I've already posted the proportioning valve brake line plumbing. So this comes down, that's driver's side. Then we've got the line that comes across the bulkhead firewall and ties in over at the passenger side. And then the line that ties into the rear brakes, that's this guy right here. So on the Willwood proportioning valve, you have the option of tying in both separately, or you could bring just one off on the front brakes and tee off of that. I just ran them independently. And then there's the rear brake. So I'll show you how that all tied in. So, you gotta step them underneath here. So, that is one continuous piece all the way up and around and down through the tunnel. And, yep. So yeah, brake lines are all tied in. So this is a perspective looking back. So I'm done with the plumbing. So this was the last really thing I had to build. And now I think I'm in the finish taking it apart and start working on trying to get this thing on the rotisserie. So a few odds and ends, but overall this is it. That was the last piece. So transmission, motor out, brake line's done. I've checked my clearances. Looks like I'm all clear on the headers. So anyway, that's the update for today. Thank you guys. Hope everyone's safe and well. Have a good day. Bye-bye.